Hey, what's up guys, Hassan here. In this video today we compare two best smartphones, which is Samsung Galaxy F40 versus Samsung Galaxy F30. So let's see the full video. Display type, display size, resolution, multi-touch, pixel density, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, screen protection, storage, has RAM, has memory, storage type, memory slot, body design, body weight, body dimensions, body colors, SIM slot, waterproof, front side, back side, body frame, platform, has chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, megapixel, second camera megapixel, third camera megapixel, has flash, video records, selfie camera, megapixel, has HDR, video records, connectivity, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS, has NFC, infrared port, radio, OTG support, USB connectivity, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, proximity, barometer, heart rate, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, features, 5G support, announcement, has result, price, price USD. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Packages compare.